Welcome to KIDLOLAND, an award-winning educational program for kids.
Let's learn the life cycle of a flowering plant. See how a seed grows into a full-grown plant. The tiny seed gets its first fruits. You see it grows some more and becomes a seedling. With nutrients, water, air, and sunlight, the seedling grows a stem and leaves. That's right. Do you know what comes next? The plant gets some flowers blooming away. The flowers make new seeds that spread around. The cycle goes on with new seeds on the ground. Let's learn the life cycle of a flowering plant. See how a seed grows into